Initially, I came in because I have rheumatoid arthritis and my joints are always sore and painful. After the first session, I could feel immediate relief. Honestly, it was like life-changing, and I slept that night for the first time in a while. Then after the first couple sessions, it just started staying consistent. It wouldn't go back into as bad as it was. And every time it just gets better and better.
So happy to hear that. Sleep is life, so anything that can help you fall asleep will be amazing. What I'm gonna get you to do is we're gonna tilt this head right on over here, all the way relaxed. Beautiful. Yeah, right there. Nice. Good.